Hello everyone, welcome back to Uptodian. So in this today's video, I will be sharing you one wonderful hiring opportunity which is coming from the Juspay Hiring Challenge 2025. So it is a golden opportunity for the B.Tech students who are getting graduated in the year of 2026. So Juspay it is offering an internship, so which is the stipend is of 40,000 per month, and also if your performance is good in the internship period, you will also get a full-time job offer which is ranging the CTC of like 21 to 27 lakhs per year. Okay, so in this video I will be discussing you each and everything that is about the Juspay company and who can apply for this and what is the eligibility criteria in order to apply for this competition, what are all the rules and regulations that you should have to follow in order to do not get like outside of the competition, and how many rounds that are there, and what would be the competition structure, and at last what the rewards that you will be getting once you get finished or like once you get win. Okay, so make sure you watch this video till the end and don't forget to comment that if you found this video helpful. So before moving ahead, if you are new to this channel, so make sure to subscribe to our channel, so where you will get the content which is totally related to the job openings, internship openings, free courses, hackathons, scholarships, and a lot more content uploaded in this channel. So make sure to subscribe to our channel. So now let's start the video. So first let's talk about what is Juspay. So as we all know, Juspay it is a global payment technology company where they handle over 200 millions of digital transactions every day, with this uptime which is of like 99.999%. So they work with over a 500 plus big companies like banks and financial apps, which will be including the top of the names in India as we all know. So and they have been backed with by the top investors like SoftBank and SL, and they have the offices in the Bangalore and San Francisco, Dublin, and Singapore. So wherever it is spread over all the world. Now they are hiring the talented students like you through this hiring challenge of 2025. Okay. Now let's talk about who can apply. That is, what would be the eligibility criteria in order to apply for this competition. Okay, so this challenge is only for the B.Tech or BE students who are getting graduated in the year of 2026 only. They have been clearly mentioned over here. You can see clarity, that is a graduating year of 2026 batch is only eligible to apply for this thing. Okay, and you can be from any branch or specialization. There is no specific branch that is required over here. Open to all engineering branches, all engineering students who are getting graduated in the year of 2026, they are all are welcome to apply for this competition. Okay, and there will be a no team here, so there is an only individual participants are only allowed in this thing. So there's no limit on how many people from your college you can apply. So it's overall the India level competition is going to happen. So whatever uh, it is like India level competition is going to happen. Okay, now let's talk some of the important rules that you should have to keep in mind. That after registration you should not like you cannot edit your details, and copying or using the unfair means like you will be leading to disqualification from the hiring challenge as well also. Okay, do not try to register using the multiple email IDs, or you will be any other spam type of things. If you do in the registration process, or you will spam that whatever in the registration, you are directly eliminated from this competition. Okay, so make sure you be genuine and you just genuinely register for this competition and prepare for the competition. I will also tell you that what are the things and what the tips that will help you to uh, for this competition. I will tell you in this video later on. Okay, so stick around the video. Now let's talk about what are all the rounds that are there in this. So the competition structure, right? Now coming to the first structure, that is of round 1 is of like MCQ assessment. So once you register, the first round would be like a multi-choice questions test will be there. So it will be testing your logical reasoning, code basics, and aptitude round. Okay, so these are the questions that you will be getting in the MCQ, and also you will get a physics and mathematics too as well also. And make sure you attend all of these rounds from the laptop or desktop. So they will not allow you to attend this test from the mobile. Okay, so make sure you have the laptop or a desktop within you once you are like while you are writing for the round 1 and remaining rounds as well, and having the stable internet connection, and as well as a quiet room where you are not there in a disturbance or like any other persons are roaming your background of you and there is a background noise or all those things. So keep in that mind and just go and sit in a calm room and get the laptop or a desktop, and then just you have to write the test. Okay, now once you attempt the test at any time, so within the given time, the given time will be there for this. So they have been not yet announced, so they will announce later on, because we have the 1 month registration deadline, so we have pretty much more time. So they'll announce. So once they announce, you can just from like you can just come to here, and you can like we can say here they will be mentioned, you can just go through here. Okay, now once you give the test, the shortlist students will be moving to the next round. The next round will be of like coding challenge. So if you pass the round 1, you will get the 90 minutes of the online coding test. Here your coding skills will be tested very carefully. Okay, your code will be like judged based on accuracy and the code quality, and as well as the time taken in order to complete that code or have been written the code. So this round is very important. So make sure you prepare well and you do code very well, because this round is a very much thing is important. Okay, and next is of like a profile verification. Here the shortlisted candidates or students will be required to submit the additional information for the verification process, because in the round 3 it is nothing but the final interview. Once the students who are shortlisted in the round 2, they are directly coming to the final round. We will later on discuss. In this profile verification, you need to give some of the additional information, where the Juspay is going to ask you based on the requirements, or whatever the requirements they do have, just fulfill those requirements for the profile verification form. And the round 3, it is of like final interview. The top coders from the second round, which we called from the final, they will be called for the final interview. Okay, so the interview will be including like a technical and behavior round. Questions will be there, so you must have to prepare those things. And the Juspay team will be sharing you all the details about this round by email. So the email, you will be getting all the details about this final interview through your email communication only. Okay, now let's talk about what the rewards and what you will be getting, right? So that's very much excited for me and for you as well also. So you will be getting an internship offer. So if you got selected, you will receive a 8 to 12 months of internship. So this is a full-time in-office internship. Okay, so you will get a monthly stipend which is of like 40,000, and there is a better opportunity for you for the internships for intern who are doing in the Juspay company. That is a full-time job offer too, which it will be based on your performance you have been done during the internship. So you can get a full-time role, and for that the salary package is for a full-time job is of like 21 to 27 LPA. Yes, up to 27 LPA per year. It's a dream job for any students who are in the B.Tech background. Now I want to tell you that some of the tips which will be helping you to prepare for this challenge or like that. So which is from a small tip from my side. So first, practice the MCQs, like focus on the aptitude, reasoning, logics, basic programming MCQs, mathematics, physics. We have lots of websites too as well. So just go and prepare from there, or you can like go in the YouTube and just search for the aptitude. We have some of the important topics. You can just go ahead and prepare from that itself. Daily coding practices, where you can use the platforms like LeetCode, HackerRank, or Code Forces. So in these platforms you will be having the daily coding context will be happening. So just participate in that coding context or weekly contest we have. So just you can participate, where you can just see yourself that how much you are writing the code and where you are failing, and with this you will get to know that how should I prepare for the competition. Okay, like you have to understand the DSA, you have to learn the DSA part, because DSA is a must where we can just have in this competition, this type of coding competitions. Okay, and also improve your code quality, right? You need to write the code in such a way that it should be clean, it should be readable, and it should be optimized. So in this way the code should be there, and also it should be a reusable code. Okay, just attend the mock interviews for the interview preparation like that. So it will be very easy, like you can just practice with the like for the with your friends for the final interview round or like that. So you can just with the mentors or any other who have the better knowledge upon to you. Okay, you can just give the interviews. Okay, stay honest, do not copy the code. Like the Juspay will be catching you the plagiarism very easily. Okay, do not copy or paste the code with the help of AI tools or like that. Just you need to write the code how much you have the knowledge and how much you can able to like they will be checking in the logic, how much you have the logic, and at what time you are like how much the time you have been required you have like to write the code or like that. Okay, now if you are a B.Tech student graduating in the 2026, this is the once in a lifetime opportunity. Do not miss this out. So you can start with the paid internship of 40,000 a month, and which will be ending up with your job offer with up to a 27 lakhs of full-time job. Okay, this is so to register for this competition. I have given in the link in the description box. So when you click on that link, you will get redirect to this page, and you can just simply press on register button. You can register for this competition. It's very simple. That's it. Okay. Now do let me know in the comments that will you apply for the Juspay hiring challenge, or what's your favorite platform for the coding practice? Okay, just do comment down in the below. And if you found this video helpful, please do like, share, and subscribe to Opportunity and for more job updates. And I will see you in the next video with the biggest opportunity, and good luck with your competition.